Something terrifying is brewing over the Middle East. And it's not just another desert storm. The skies are turning volatile. The atmosphere is charged with explosive energy. And meteorologists are warning that a dangerous chain of extreme weather events is about to unfold. From the glittering skyline of Dubai to the vast deserts of Saudi Arabia, a wild and unpredictable system threatening to unleash violent thunderstorms, destructive floods, and even rare tornadoes across the region. Meteorologists warning of a rare desert tornado outbreak, destructive supercell thunderstorms, and life-threatening flooding in the coming days. At the heart of this volatile setup is an atmosphere loaded with extreme instability, measured by convective available potential energy, CAPE values, approaching 5,000 joules per kilogram. This level of energy is typically associated with some of the most intense thunderstorms on Earth, capable of producing tornadoes, giant hail, and destructive winds. When this unstable air mass collides with a dip in the jet stream, it creates the perfect environment for rotating supercell storms, the same type responsible for the most violent tornadoes globally. The most immediate and widespread danger, however, may come from torrential rainfall and catastrophic flooding. Forecast models indicate widespread rainfall totals of 3 to 6 inches, 76 to 152 millimeters, across parts of the region, with localized areas potentially receiving even more. For context, Dubai typically receives only about 4 inches, 100 millimeters, of rain in an entire year. This means some locations could see an entire year's worth of rain compressed into just a few days, overwhelming drainage systems and triggering severe flash floods. Authorities have already reported localized waterlogging earlier this week, but experts warn that the peak of the storm is yet to arrive. The highest threat zones include United Arab Emirates, especially Dubai and Abu Dhabi, Qatar and Bahrain, northern Oman, southwestern Iran, eastern Iraq and northeastern Saudi Arabia. In these areas, residents should prepare for a combination of flash flooding, severe thunderstorms, hailstorms, and possible tornadoes. Additionally, over the Persian Gulf, conditions are favorable for marine waterspouts, which could pose risks to maritime activity. While tornadoes in deserts are rare, this setup could produce isolated but potentially dangerous twisters, especially in UAE, Qatar, and eastern Saudi Arabia, coastal regions along the Red Sea and southwestern Saudi Arabia, cities and provinces including Makkah, Asir, Jazan, and Al-Baha may see rotating storms fueled by higher moisture levels. Meanwhile, in Najran province, thunderstorms interacting with dry desert air could generate haboobs, massive dust storms capable of reducing visibility to near zero within minutes. Adding to the danger, storms may unleash large to very large hail, capable of damaging vehicles, buildings, and infrastructure. This looming event draws comparisons to the historic April 2024 storm, when 6.45 inches of rain inundated Dubai International Airport, submerging runways and forcing the cancellation of over 1,200 flights. The upcoming system could rival or even exceed that event in some areas, raising concerns about transport disruption, infrastructure damage, and widespread flooding. Governments across the region, including in the UAE and Saudi Arabia, have issued public safety advisories urging residents to avoid flood-prone areas, valleys, and low-lying roads. The Middle East now stands on the brink of a rare and potentially historic weather event, combining desert tornado risks, severe thunderstorms, and extreme flooding into one dangerous system. Stay updated with official weather alerts.